Welcome to another puzzle that is not so straightforward to untangle. Today I'll show you how to unlock this metal puzzle. I suggest you put the puzzle in front of you like I have just done, looking like this, and I'll show you how to get it apart. You take this eye in your left hand. This one, you use your index finger and thumb to squeeze it around. Gently, gently, don't force it, and there you have it. Putting it back together again is the easy part, like this. Okay, I'll show you one more time. You take this part and you turn it like this. I don't know if you can see this well, but this one, the eye should go back. This one should go up like this. It should look like this. Now if you turn it gently, it will come apart. Putting it back together like this. It looks easier than it is, I have to admit. That's why I'll do it one more time. Like this. Turn around gently. And you have this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. The ring puzzle. Up to you now. You can do it.